Consumer rights are essential for maintaining a fair and transparent marketplace where individuals can make choices with confidence. They are not only enshrined in laws and regulations, but also serve as a foundation for building trust between consumers and businesses.
जब भी कोई चीज खरीदो उसे ठीक से जांचो परखो, अगर लगे कुछ ताल में काला दुकानदार हो धोखे वाला। जानो अपने अधिकारों को, अपने हक पहचानो, बेईमानों को सबक सिखाओ, ग्राहक अब तो जागो, जागो ग्राहक 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 जागो। Be a smart consumer, assert your rights, pursue relevance. जागो ग्राहक जागो। ये लंबे और घने बाल, बढ़िए मैरिज से फिट और बढ़िए सिक्स पैक सिर्फ 5 मिनट में, 7 दिनों में पाई गोरापन। पहले मुझे कोई नौकरी नहीं देता था, इस तरीके को पढ़ने के बाद जिंदगी बदल गई है। जरा सोचिए, क्या 7 दिन में कोई पाउडर या क्रीम लगाने से खूबसूरत और ताकतवर बन जाएगा? क्या कोई ब्रेडेड या लॉकेट अपनी किस्मत बदल सकती है? ऐसे विज्ञापन के जाल में भ्रमित न हो जाइए। अगर जिंदगी में सच्ची कामयाबी चाहते हो तो अपने मेहनत पे विश्वास रखो। जागो ग्राहक जागो। जो भी दिखे उसे न मानो, सच्चाई को पहले जानो, जागो ग्राहक जागो।
For a big round of applause for the students of grade 1B who have presented a rather complex topic in such a beautiful and creative way. Another round of applause for the class teacher Jayashree ma'am for guiding her students, for creating such a beautiful assembly by, even though it's a complex, rather complicated topic, it has been simplified and made easily understandable to us with that beautiful conclusion, the cherry on the cake, the dance about Jago, Grahak, Jago. We are the consumers and we have the right to get the best for our money. We also have a duty, that is a duty to check that the thing we are buying has not expired. It contains it contains the chemicals that is approved by the research team. And finally, if we are not happy, we have the right to move to the consumer court that I have invested my money for this product and yet I have not got what is mentioned here. We have the right. So let us be aware of this right. Jayashree ma'am has spoken about it. My beautiful little children have presented it creatively, and this is our learning from today's assembly. Remember, every morning when we come here, we learn. You learn, the teachers learn, as well as I learn. And this learning should be put to use when the time comes. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Upholding these rights contributes to a healthy and ethical economy.
NPS International School, an exposure to global thinking. We are now accepting admissions for the 2024-25 academic session from KG to Class 9. Please feel free to reach out to us at either 887-658-8565 or 887-655-5333 for more information.